Hey guys, it's SheRocks54 here. I just got my vegan cuts box. I also just took a shower. I thought I'd do a taste test video and unboxing of the vegan cuts box. So this is a monthly subscription. I had this for like, I would say close to 2 years. So really good. So let's see what we got for this box today. Open this up. Alright, so it comes with a card. Let's see. And the theme is Savor the Savings. Interesting. Alright, so here it is. Here's the card. And let's see what we got. So, first thing we got are these bean crisps. Bean crisps. And I actually had this before. It's really good, so there's these. Then we got some Chipotle barbecue greens, organic pressed vegetable chips, right here. More popcorn. It's in the flavor butter. I got some Kella sea salt vinegar crunch. So we are going to do a taste testing of everything. Let me see what this says. Crispy, crunchy, roasted fava beans with classic salt and vinegar taste. So we'll see how this is. I had some fava beans before and I don't like them at all. So we'll see how this is. Alright, we got this Bao Bites Super Fruit Snack. Let's see. So it looks like it's a healthy gummy. So here it is. I got this sweet potato and red lentil with cinnamon ready to go soup. Toasted bean blend. So I don't know about this, guys. What is this? Toasted bean blend? Interesting. So, I don't know. So, it's some kind of bean blend. I got these Figa cranberry pistachio superfood snacks. I got a orange peach organic fruit gel, which sounds pretty good, I must say. These are like chips, curls, broccoli, toddler snacks. Let's see, what's this? 50% off. Got some coupons here. A diced riced cauliflower. Keto and Co. So it's some kind of healthy rice. So here it is right here. And what's this? This is a steel tea and herbal goodness. So some kind of tea. Okay. And then last one we got this coconut dairy-free latte. I'm gonna try this out. Guys, I am very, 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 very sensitive to caffeine. Like very sensitive to caffeine. So I'm kinda afraid. So we'll see if I try some of this, okay? The last thing we got is a dark chocolate with sea salt candy bar. That is everything inside. I'm going to try out some things on camera, so let's see what we got. So I think we're going to try, let's try these Bao Bites Super Fruit Snacks. And let me put this in the refrigerator so we can try it out together. Okay. Alright, so let me try these out. This is in the flavor just about pomegranate. Pomegranate. Yeah, pomegranate. Alright. Hmm. 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 That's good. Mm-hmm. 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 Alright, so use the rest of the guys. Very tasty. Tastes like a dry fruit with a gummy kind of taste, like a fruit snack. So I'll give this a 10 out of 10. It's really good. It's really good. Alright, so I'm gonna try these Chipotle barbecue greens chips. Oh my goodness. These are so good. Those are so good. Wow. Like, not only are these healthy, it's so good. So, this 10 out of 10. Definitely 10 out of 10. Alright. Let's see. I'm gonna try this out. A fruit gel. It says taste best chilled, but I'm just gonna try it out. So here it is. That's so good. Wow, this is good. I'm just gonna eat all of it. That is definitely 10 out of 10 as well. That was so good. Tastes like a Jello shot. Like, it tastes like Jello. It's really good. Alright, so let's try something weird. Let's try the sea salt and vinegar crunch fava beans. Like I said before, I don't really like fava beans. I've had some bad experiences trying fava beans before. So I'm trying to open this up. Try it out. It's not my favorite. Would not repurchase this. I would give it a 6 out of 10. I mean, it's not bad. I don't really like fava beans like that, you know. All right, so this is a more bean kind of thing. I don't know. This is, yeah. Anyway, so Let's try out these Figgy Pops Cranberry Pistachio. Uh-oh. Alright, trying this out. It's not bad. It's okay. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Alright, so the last thing I'm gonna try here is this chocolate right here. It's a good chocolate, guys. It's a good chocolate. I've had a lot of dark chocolates out there and they weren't very good, and it was really good. I'll give it 9 out of 10. So let's try out the chocolate. Alright, last thing I'm gonna try is this coconut Jaffa latte. Like I said, I'm very sensitive to caffeine, so I don't think I'm gonna have too much of this, to be honest. Wish me luck. I'm scared. Oh my god, it's bubbling out. Whoa. It's not bad. Alright, let me not drink any more of this before I have a freaking crazy attack. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye. Subscribe.